Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You will begin by confirming core settings, open settings, then personalization, and go to colors. Turn on transparency effects so the system can render translucency. Next, choose an accent color and check the box labeled Show Accent Color on Start, Taskbar, and Action Center. Once done, you have base translucency, but not full transparency. You need a small tweak to reach near clear. Keep settings open because you'll return after the next step. You will now apply the key change that unlocks stronger transparency. Use Regedit or a trusted tweak utility. Navigate to the specified personalized path. Create or set the word named Use OLED Taskbar Transparency to 1. Close Registry Editor and then restart Windows Explorer, open Task Manager, select Windows Explorer, and click Restart. This makes the taskbar much clearer than standard translucency. Make sure to combine this with Finish by confirming the visual change. You should see a near-transparent taskbar. If it's not visible, reboot once, then verify the registry value remains set to 1 and that transparency effects are still on. Make sure you restarted Explorer after editing. That step applies the change immediately. If something goes wrong, back up your registry first, then set the word back to 0 or use System Restore. This reverses the tweak safely, so you can try again without permanent risk.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.